Exercise 14.6 Question 1. Draw angle POQ of measure 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. So students, first of all we have to draw measure angle 75 degree and then we have to find its line of symmetry. Line of symmetry of angle means how we will do? We will find bisecting angles of the 75 degree. Why bisecting? Because the bisecting angle means the angle is divided into two equal parts. Now students, this angle 75 degree we will draw with the divider only. Let us draw figure along with steps of construction. Solution. Steps of constructions. A. Draw a line L and mark a point O on it. So students, first of all let us draw a line L. So students, here we will draw one line L and here we have to mark a point O on it. Next step. Place the pointer of the compass at O and draw an arc of any radius which intersect the line L at A. So here we will place the pointer of the compass at O. And we have to take any convenient radius. So let us open the compass and let us draw an arc with center O. So here we have drawn an arc with center O. Now students, it is said that mark this arc which cuts on line L as A. So we have marked as A. Next is taking same radius with center A, cut the previous arc at B. So we will take the same radius of this O. We will take the same radius and we will cut the mark here. Next point. Here the mark where it is cut is labeled as B. Next point. Join OB, then angle BOA is equals to 70 degrees. Join OB, then angle BOA equals to 60 degree. So let me join OB. So students, here I will join OB with scale. And this angle BOA is what? This angle is 60 degrees. So first of all we have drawn angle 60 degree. Now let us see next steps. Taking same radius with center B, cut the previous arc at C. So we have still kept the opening of the compass same. Taking B as the center and we have to cut one more arc and we have to label this as C. Now let us see next step. Draw bisector of angle BOC. The angle is of 90 degree. Mark it at D and thus angle DOA equals to 90 degree. Now students, here we will draw bisector of angle BOC. So before drawing bisector, let us join this OC. This OC means angle COA is 120 degree. Now we have to draw bisector of this angle BOC, means we will take center B and C. Now how to draw bisecting angle? We have to take more than half radius. So this is the distance of BC. We will take more than half radius. With B as a center, we will draw one arc, and with C as a center, we will draw another arc. Now students, we will join this intersecting arc by O and we have to label this as D. Now students, you can see angle DOA is what? 90 degrees. So this angle DOA is 90 degree. Now students, this is angle BOC is 60 degree. This angle is 90 degree. We have to draw 75 degree. That will come in between 90 and 60 degrees. So let us see next step. Draw line segment OP as bisector of angle DOB. Thus, angle POA is 75 degree. So, students, here we will draw bisector of which two angle we have to take? We have to take bisector of DOB. Means, students, we will take bisector of this and this point. That is angle DOB. Let us name this as F. So, students, now we have to take distance of BF. Let us take more than half radius. Taking B as a center, let us draw one arc. Taking F as a center, let us draw another arc. Now we will join this intersecting arc by O. And this angle, we have to name this as P. So, angle POA, this entire angle POA is what? 75 degree. Means this point to this POA is 75 degree. Now, students, we have to find line of symmetry. Means we have to find bisecting angle. So, we will take center point, we will take A to G, we will take A to G distance, and then we have to take more than half radius. So, this is our A to G. Because why we have to take this only? Because this much distance arc is of 75 degree. Because angle, why we have to take this distance only? Because angle POA is 75 degree angle. Hence, we will take, students, more than half of this 2 radius. Let us take more than half and let us draw an arc with A as a center. Let us draw another arc with G as a center. And students, if we join this intersecting arc with O, so this is our line of symmetry. So this is line of symmetry of 75 degree. An angle of measure 147 degree and construct its bisector. So first of all, we have to draw an angle of 147 degree and we have to bisect the angles. So let us draw a figure along with steps of construction. Solution. Steps of construction. Draw any ray OA. So students, first of all, let us draw any ray OA. So students, let us draw ray OA. So this is ray, let us label OA. Now let us see next step. With the help of protractor, construct angle AOB equals to 147 degree. So here we have to construct 147 degree with the help of protractor. So let us put our center of protractor on O, and then 147 is marked over here. Now we have to join this marking point with O, and it is said angle AOB we have to take as B. Angle AOB is 147 degree. Now let us see next step. Taking center O and any convenient radius, draw an arc which intersect the arms of OA and OB at P and Q respectively. So here we have to take center as O. Let us take any convenient radius with the center and let us draw an arc. How? Such that it cuts the arm OA and OB. So this is our arc. This arc cuts at OA and OB. What we have to label it as P and Q. So we have labeled this as P and Q. Next step. Taking P as a center and radius more than half of PQ, draw an arc. So students, let us take P as a center and radius more than half of PQ. This means we are drawing bisecting angle. So students, first of all, let us take distance of PQ. So this is distance of PQ. Let us take more than half radius. Now taking P as a center, let us draw one arc. Taking Q as a center, let us draw another arc. Now students, let us see next step. We have drawn next step. Taking Q as center and with the same radius, draw another arc which intersect the previous arc at R. So this arc is intersect at R. So this intersecting arc we have to label as R. Step number F. Join OR and produce it. Thus, line segment OR is the required bisector of angle AOB. So here, what we have to do in this step? We have to join OR. So let us join this OR. And thus, OR, line segment OR is the required bisector of angle AOB.